Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be doing some really helpful work to some of you guys trying to calibrate the ETC, the throttle body on your Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont guys. So we'll be using that computer. Stay with us. Everything will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now, on that Dodge Journey guys, that Dodge Journey will have more than 200 videos. So please subscribe guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So with the engine hood open, this is your throttle body right here. You can see this is the throttle body. If you replace it, if you clean it and install a new one, you have to calibrate it. So let me show you guys what we will be doing today. This is the computer that we'll be using, made by Maxisys. Now we need to go inside the vehicle now. We need to go inside. I'm going to close my door. We have the second part of the computer, the programming device, connected to the OBD port already. We'll need to turn the ignition on. Okay, that should say run. Do not press the brake pedal and the car shouldn't be running. Now we're going to show you here guys, you can do dealer level diagnostics on so many makes and models. Okay, not just Dodge Journey. Okay, you can see this tool is amazing. We'll click VIN number. That's the easiest one guys. It's going to auto detect the vehicle by the VIN number, decode it, and tells us what kind of vehicle we have here, so you don't have to manually select it and wonder which option you should click. Perfect. Now we're going to go to diagnostics here. Perfect. Control unit. We'll select powertrain. ECM, this is the engine control module, and now right here guys, we're going to select special function, and under special function you're going to see there is one that says Warn electronic throttle control. Right here guys, click this thing. After that, all we have to do, click OK. TP voltage warning, setting default values. Press and hold accelerator pedal to the floor. The throttle must be held to the floor. Press OK when ready. So, pedal to the floor, right? I like that thing, pedal to the floor. Click OK. We're holding for 6 seconds. Still keep holding. Now it says release accelerator pedal and press OK. We release the pedal, we click OK, and we keep waiting until it does its magic. We have a video guys how to clean it as well, how to clean the throttle body, because a dirty throttle body can give you codes that looks like you have to replace it, but all you have to do clean it sometimes. And it says that it's complete. Now it's establishing communication and warn past. Press close to exit. So we're guys ready to go. Let's start the car to make sure it performs okay. No engine light or anything like that. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.